Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming power so the reset won't fail. Make sure the JBL Wave Beam has at least 20% battery or is plugged in. Turn the speaker off and temporarily disable Bluetooth on nearby devices to prevent reconnect attempts. Locate the power and volume buttons on the unit so your hands are ready. Once done, press and hold the power for a short power cycle. This clears transient faults and prepares the firmware for the deeper reset that follows. Now you execute the factory reset because it restores defaults and clears pairing records. Press and hold power and volume down together for 10 to 15 seconds. This combination triggers the speaker's internal reset routine. You'll know it worked when the LEDs flash or the unit powers off and on. If you see that, release the buttons. Make sure the device remains powered and do not remove the battery or cable during the sequence, since interrupting it can corrupt firmware and require additional troubleshooting. Finally, you complete the process by re-enabling Bluetooth on your phone and pairing the JBL Wave Beam as a new device, which ensures clean settings and removes old connections. If audio or pairing fails, fully charge the speaker and repeat the reset because low power can cause incomplete resets. If the LED shows unusual patterns or the unit won't boot, try a second reset once charged. If problems persist, contact JBL support. Firmware errors may require professional recovery.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.